Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you do quite well. And here is flag mockup. Here is a GIF file. You can edit in GIF file, that's mean a animation. You see here is a video layer, and here is animation mockup. Okay, and here is a just PST file, and last is sky background. Here is some country flag. But these files are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. Here is a Sheri SK page on Facebook. Last is my Telegram channel. Write Sheri SK official and subscribe me. I will provide every video or data link first here. Open PST folder and you see here. Open this one. Very simple. I know you can do easily anything. Here is a background. You can change background color like this one, and here is a Mockup flag extract. This is not our thing. Main thing is here, just replace your design. Here is the adjustment. Okay, here is a filter. Here is double click. Again double click and put your design of your flag or your logo and press Ctrl S for saving, and your design is here. Now here is sky. These are high definition file. You see here 5.01 MB. Okay, here is video layer. Open. Wow, so your logo is here when you create a GIF file, that means animation mockup is here. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Here is Sheri SK, my Facebook page. Subscribe this channel Sheri SK official in Telegram. Take care, love, peace.